no blue is not enough.
Great, Mega. Welcome. I really appreciate your time, and probably that is the same takeaway message I would like to give to the end of the day. Probably. So why are you here? Where you want to go in life, and why you want to, do something what you're, thinking to do in mind in the near future.
I'm looking for Java. Okay, right now I'm learning something programming, software engineering, and I want to do in a programming line. Okay, so I have seen in YouTube the way you speak, the encourage. I really appreciate what you're talking and why and how. Much of the students are they're just learning and dreaming about that. Yeah, I'm become engineering and etc. Whatever. But they're not thinking that why I'm doing that because of my parents or anything else. So I have seen your YouTube, the way you speak. So I think this is an, I get some knowledge from you. So
So why about you, Mega? Why you want to learn Java and all of these things that you spoke to all of us? Why is that? What is your why?
I'm hunger about the programming.
Hunger about
I like
programming.
programming
So
and all that. Yes, sir.
okay,
That's why I
okay.
choose Java and all that.
Okay, see, there are now that's something, probably there are some 26 people, 29 people. I think, most of us would be having some same dream, same thing at all. I want to do something. But, here I would again ask you guys, why? I mean, like, why you want to do some, programming or something? Matlab, see, that's good. I'm not telling it's in the negative part, but, you have to see the bigger picture. Probably you have to think at a level, where a business owner of your company who will give you a placement, during your placement time, he or she thinks that way. Why I would need a, Java program or somebody. Probably, I'm talking to one of my friends. He works in TCS. So he has been for 4 years working in TCS. Okay, so last December he was here. So he was telling me a small story. So that is what something he told that I very lately realized. So this guy was doing something very small, programming something. Their end client was Nissan cars, all of this. Okay, so so his job was very simple. Okay, but his seniors, they didn't actually communicate to him why he was doing that. So probably his job was to write some code or do something so that what in the in the end output it was happening something like this. So the the split second time when a car meets an accident, so this what do you say, the protective equipment, uh, protective gears that that air one, that something, that so it comes up from the seats and all of these things, right? So I hope you guys understood. So he was calculating, doing something, so where he was able to mitigate the time split of that. So and the company was making hell lot of money, and this guy, he just get paid hardly 40 to 50,000, man. But then this guy was, he was wondering why. I'm doing this thing, the company is making so much money, but I never knew why I was doing that. Then in the late, very, after so many days, he got to know, okay, this is the ultimate use that I'm doing. So probably Mega, probably you're doing the same thing in, in your future employment. But that is what I would like to say, you get to the, like, what you're doing, you're writing a code. So in the end of the day, how that code is helping someone else. Okay, maybe a, maybe a, whatever, whomever. Probably that is the why that, probably before you start writing that code, you should know, okay, why I'm writing this code.
Right.
How is going to, help. So unless and until, so this guy says, if I would have known that, I could have done it more better. But, probably the senior management didn't thought to communicate that thing to this person. So, but probably, that is what could have been better. Okay, great.